Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need the watch awake and the paired iPhone nearby. Start now. First, unlock the watch and swipe up to confirm battery and Bluetooth icons. Next, on the watch open settings, then General, this begins the path to identify model information. If you prefer the phone, open Watch app and tap My Watch. That's an alternative route. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi remain active because the phone and watch exchange details during the identification step. Now locate the model identifier so you know exactly which watch you have. On the watch, go to Settings, General, About and look for Model. Tap the number to reveal the number. Alternatively, on the iPhone, open the Watch app, My Watch, General, About and scan the model field. You're reading a code that starts with a or a human-readable name. Write it down or take a screenshot. This identifier lets you map to series, case size, and cellular versus GPS. Finish by verifying the number against known model lists or Apple serial lookup to confirm series, case size, and whether it's GPS or cellular. Look at the back case for engraving that matches your findings. If information seems wrong or missing, restart both watch and iPhone. That often restores about details. Make sure both devices run current OS versions, and if necessary, unpair then repair the watch. If problems persist, contact support or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.